Morning. Demolition day is here. I'll take you for a quick walk around the older 60-year-old shed that's got to be knocked down. It's about 60 to 80 years old. It's fair size. Fire's roaring away again. Well, starting to roar away. I'll take you for a little walk through the old shed. It's got to come down. Whew. It's that one there. So I'm just clearing around the outside for now. But get a car in that bit. Whew. Then you come in here. They were going to try and salvage this, but no. I think the salvage of this shed is well and truly past it. So the electrics have all been disconnected, water's been disconnected, the concrete flooring is all going to have to come up. All this has got to go on the fire, all this wood. It's not just this, there's a big bit I'll take you out the back where they used to park the cars and what have you. But you alright, mate? Yeah, he'll be alright, he'll get toasty and warm soon. He'll be alright. But phew, rocky. That'll be alright once I get some heat in it. And then you come in here, into this part. This is where they used to have a car and, well, as they say, man cave. But you can see like the joists and that, they're all starting to bow, bend. This shed been added onto shed, It's not safe. So we're going to take it down. Demolition. Yeah. This is the shed from this angle. Well, you can't see it because there's smoke. So yeah, when you look at the digger, the size of the shed, that's a fair size shed. But right, we'll get on it and start getting her knocked down. I'm not demoing it yet, I will be in a minute. Well, in about an hour's time. Just want to clear up all this rubbish on the outside first, otherwise it makes my job even harder trying to demo and clear up. So literally just clearing up all the old pallets, all the old wood, get that on the fire, get it burning, get some heat in there, and then we'll drop the shed and burn the shed up. We have gone through that shed and got anything that's like explosive or shouldn't be burnt. That has all been taken care of. We've found endless gas bottles, which is quite lucky really, because I don't want to be loading the fire up and the gas bottle go off and take the digger out. But yeah, I can't wait to do some demo work. You can tell it's a proper shed, it's all tiled roof, cladded sides. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, it would have been a lovely shed if it was looked after, but it's just gone so rotten. There is no pulling that back. Well, there is if you put a lot of money into it, but the money you put into it, you might as well put into a new shed. So that's what we're going to do. That fire will clear in a minute. I just had a load of green waste put on it. And that's why it's smoking. But once the heat get in there, that'll burn clear. It has been burning clear all morning. But right, I'm going to get this on the fire. Get ready, pick all these conifers up. I've got the dreaming, he's cutting all the conifers down. So we'll get all the conifers rounded up. And then we'll get ready to drop the shed. Right, I'll catch you back here in a bit. Right, let's make a start on taking this shed down then. I say shed. What I like doing is knocking the roof in first and then I'll fold it all in on itself. crunch it right up as well. Save the cones. Demolition Dale. Demolition Dig. Chuck goes a bit straight on the fire. Oh, we've got hold of it.
Have another fire back.
Up there.
Just fucking where that stump is or something, do you know, or over there or
Over
something.
there in that big opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that because otherwise.
Well, I'm just thinking about tracking and getting close here. Though.
Yeah.
That's the other thing there, but I think we're too close. If the wind whip round here, it can get scorched or whatever. Do you know
Yeah,
what I
that's
mean?
gonna go up now.
Not what, just have another one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have another fire up here then. I'll get some stuff for him. Cool, I can feel the heat from here. Alright, got to take some out of the middle because there's a lot of stuff in there. Trying to keep it on the concrete because it's easier to clean up the concrete. Demo dig digs. Dig dig demo. people think I'm just smashing it, but I'm not. There is madness. Method to my madness. If you look, it's still on the footprint of the actual shed. So there won't be a huge amount of tidying up. Well, it'll take a little while to burn it all, but it's not spread everywhere. So I'm just knocking it down and then I'll crunch it all up and transfer it. Big lump of concrete. So the track over. Look at that. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I think my man might want some more. Separate. Yeah, beautiful. We'll put the metal over here out of the way. Now we'll drop the front end of the shed. And there's a lot of tidying up to do. Trying to get inside all this slate. And timber. Nope. Big old wasp just come in there. Old queen wasp. Right, I'm rocking because I think I sat where there was a stump. I hate rocking in a digger. Rock and roll, baby. Bloody wasps and moths and God knows what. And that is the shed demo. Didn't take long, did it? Demo time, and the fire's ready to go. So I'm going to do more. just crunching it all up. I'll spend a little while crunching it all up and then get back to you very, very shortly. Right, as you can probably see, we've got another fire on the go. Don't want to let that get much bigger than that, really. This all demoed, all cleared up. Literally just got the pile in front of me, which is all that's left of the shed. Then I'll get ditch and bucket on, scrape everything off. That concrete's being ripped up, tidy the fires up, scrape all of this once, cart all the rubbish away, and then go from there. So yeah, it's all good. But right, just go see Jamie and see how he's getting on. Right, I know it's a bit dark, you might be able to see it, you might not, but I'm just going to take you for a quick walk around and show you. The shed's gone, the fires are roaring, and it's that time of day. But right, I'll take you around there and quickly show you, if you can see. One fire is roaring, the other fire is roaring, and the shed is down. I want to take you to this fire. It's gorgeous, lovely and hot, lovely and hot. Cool, it's toasty. Bowling ball is burning. Our bowling ball is burning fairly well. But right, I'll show you where this shed was. That is where it was, and now it is gone. So I just got the concrete left to rip up. Once that's ripped up, strip everything off, all new topsoil in, dress it all up, cart everything away, job will be done. Apart from I got leaving that tree in, taking that tree out, taking that tree out, taking that tree out, leaving that one in, taking all that fence down, everything else, all the hedge in there's coming down, leaving that thorn in, leaving that thorn in, and all them ashes are staying in. So yeah, it's totally transformed this. It really has. But right, it's that time of day where I am tired. I've been a busy boy, busy bee. Just like to say, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thank you to everybody who already has. And yeah, stay safe and we'll see you on the next one. See you all later.